Having a hard time quieting your mind during meditation? Stay tuned and watch this video for my foolproof tips and tricks on how to meditate for beginners. Meditation is the act of quieting your mind to connect with your soul. For the best self-care tips and tricks for total wellness, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video every Sunday. If you're the person that finds your schedule to be too busy to take 15 minutes out of your day just to spend some time with yourself, or if you've tried meditation in the past and you just couldn't stop your mind from thinking, this video is for you. In this video, I'll give you 6 foolproof tips and tricks on meditating and making it a part of your everyday routine. I've tried these techniques on my own and they've changed my life. I've given these tips and tricks to my friends and family, and all of them have come back to me and tell me how meditation has changed their lives and how it just brings a different perspective on life. So if that is you, if you're ready to make meditation a part of your everyday routine, you want to know the benefits and you want to know how to do this, stay tuned and I'll show you in this video. Tip number 1, find a quiet area without any distractions. Ideal places would be in the shower, in your bed upon wakening in the morning or right before bed. Go outside, go to a park. You can pick anywhere where you're not distracted. It's nice to get outside and connect to nature, but you don't have to. Anywhere is ideal. For me, I created a little space in my room where I can meditate every day, and sometimes that gets boring for me. I like to switch it up. Tip number 2. Tip number 2 is to pick the perfect time of day to meditate. And this is totally up to preference. This is what works for you. For me, a little tip is to meditate within the first 5 minutes of waking up. It's super easy to get into a meditative state on waking up in the morning, and also it allows you to stay in that state throughout the day for a longer period of time. So waking up in the morning, I like to start off first by giving gratitude to the Creator, God, whatever you choose to call the higher power. Being grateful, giving gratitude, and then I can get right into my meditation within 5 minutes. Tip number 3 is to be comfortable. Get comfortable, however that is for you. Meditation does not look the same for everyone. Trust me, I know this, and this is why I'm giving you these tips and tricks. It's so many misconceptions related to meditation. You don't have to sit in the lotus position with your legs crossed if that does not feel comfortable for you. You can lay in your bed, surrendering, just being. You can put a pillow under your back if laying flat hurts your back. You can lay on the floor. You can lay in the grass. You can sit in a chair. Okay, there's so many different ways to meditate. That is your preference. Whatever feels comfortable for you in that moment, do it. What's most important is clearing your mind. Tip number 4. Tip number 4 is to try a meditation app. Insight Timer is a really good app. It's one of the apps that I recommend and I use every day. It's great because you can track how often you meditate. It shows every day that you meditate, and after a period of time it says you've meditated this many milestones, how many days, and it really helps you to create a routine with meditating. Also, it's a really good app for beginners and advanced meditators. This app you can use from a variety of things like sound energies, guided meditation, to even just timing yourself with or without music. So I personally recommend this app. Comment below if you've given Insight Timer a try in the past, or if you use this app, or if you try it just from coming across my video. I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Tip number 5. Tip number 5 would be to light a candle or an incense. This will trigger your subconscious mind that it is time to meditate, and it also set the mood and become a great focal point to stop mind chatter. Now it's time to meditate. This is going to be a mini guided meditation between me and you. I'm going to show you exactly my steps to meditating and what I do in order, step by step. So the first thing I like to do is set my intention for my meditation. So today we're just going to set our intention for peace, love, and productivity. So once I've set my intention for my meditation, I go to my Insight Timer app and I usually set the timer for about 20 minutes. Today, I'm going to just set it for 5. Then I start to go through the different sounds so I can choose the perfect one for me today. Once I found that, I start to light my candle. Candles are great to use to gaze into and to keep your mind from the chatter. So here I'm just going to gaze into the candle so I can clear my mind. Once my mind is clear, I'll just continue to gaze into the candle until I feel comfortable, and then I'll place it down. Now, another important aspect of meditation is hand position. Hands facing palms up is for enlightenment, and hands facing down is for groundedness. Now you want to take a few deep breaths in and out. Deep breaths in and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. You want to repeat this breathing technique for a few times and then return back to your normal breath. Anytime during this meditation, if thoughts come in your mind, just acknowledge them and allow them to float away. Now slowly bring your attention back to the present moment. Wiggle your hands, wiggle your toes, move your feet, blink your eyes. Bring your hands in a prayer position, and we're just going to give thanks for this meditation today. Thank you for our intentions that we set forth today. Peace, love, and productivity. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I truly appreciate each and every one of you that tuned in. Leave comments down below if any of these techniques worked for you. I'm sure there's like plenty more techniques and more that I can give you myself. But just for purposes of this video and not keeping it too long, we're going to write down in the comment section down below, giving additional techniques and tricks on how to meditate, how to clear the mind. We are a community of one. We are all connected. So I would love to hear from you. Now that you have all the tips and tricks on how to meditate properly, what happens when you can't stop your mind from overthinking? Stay tuned for the next video in this series on how to stop overthinking. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And if it was helpful for you, type helpful down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Until then, remember, change starts in your mind. You change your mind, you change your whole life.